Hello little learners, welcome to GoGoFreggo. Are you ready to read with me? Today we will learn some CVC words. Let's start with short A words. C says K, A says eh, and T says T. K-a-t, cat. Great job! This is a cat. Meow. Say with me. Cat, cat, cat. B says B, A says eh, and T says T. B-a-t, bat. Great job! This is a bat. Say with me. Bat, bat, bat. H says H, A says eh, and T says T. H-at, hat. Great job! This is a hat. Say with me. Hat, hat, hat. Now, can you tell me what is this? Yes, it's a cat. Well done. What is this? Very good. It's bat. And what is this? Yes, it's a hat. Well done. You read CVC words today. You are a reading star. Yes, you are. See you next time with some more short A words. Bye friends. Like, share and subscribe to meet me again.